Have you ever wondered if our ancient ancestors were actually a lot smarter than we give them credit for? What if I told you that a 60,000-year-old Neanderthal workshop has just been uncovered, and it's changing everything we thought we knew about these early humans? Sounds crazy, right? Stick around, because this discovery is about to blow your mind. Imagine stepping into a dark, remote cave in Gibraltar, where archaeologists just stumbled upon something extraordinary. They didn't find simple bones or crude tools. No, they found a tiny fire pit, no bigger than a modern baking dish, but within it, the remnants of a secret process that Neanderthals used to make something we take for granted today: glue. Yes, glue. Birch tar, to be specific, which was used to bind stone tools to wooden shafts, turning them into spears. Now, I know what you're thinking: how could these ancient humans have created something so advanced? After all, they were supposed to be simple cavemen, right? Well, get ready for a surprise. The process of making this tar wasn't just a happy accident. Oh no! These Neanderthals were precision engineers, heating bark to specific temperatures and controlling airflow to extract the tar. It's like they had their own version of a high-tech chemistry lab 60,000 years before us. But here's the kicker: scientists actually tried to replicate this process to see if they could pull it off. And after hours of trial and error, guess what? They did it. They successfully created tar, proving that Neanderthals weren't just dabbling, they were problem solvers, engineers in their own right. And here's where it gets even more interesting. Some experts suggest this hearth might not just be for glue. Maybe, just maybe, it was used for something even more exotic, like perfumes or medicinal substances. Imagine the possibilities. These ancient people weren't just surviving, they were thriving, adapting to their environment in ways we can barely fathom. So, what does this mean for our understanding of Neanderthals? For years, we thought of them as primitive and simple. But this discovery reveals something far more complex. These were humans who weren't just brute force survivors, they were innovators, thinkers, and creators who used their brains to overcome the harshest challenges. This isn't just about Neanderthals. It's a reminder for all of us that sometimes, real progress comes from creativity and resourcefulness. And just like those ancient humans, we're capable of amazing things when we push the limits of what we think is possible. But before you go, there's one more mind-blowing twist to this story you won't believe. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Make sure to hit like, share with your friends, and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future deep dives into history, technology, and everything in between. And hey, if you're intrigued by how ancient discoveries are reshaping the tech world today, check out our next video. You won't want to miss it.